It's finally Friday. What's the best way to spot that great overnight trade that's going to help grow your account? Hey everyone, lead trainer with Stocks to Trade, Tim Bowen here. Really looking to answer every question you have. Be sure to comment below, drop those questions in the comments. We love answering them in these videos, as well as subscribe and ring that bell. Ring the bell because we go live on YouTube a lot, breaking down breaking stocks, watch lists, really time-sensitive information. So be sure to ring that bell and subscribe. So today we're going to talk about Friday afternoon strategies. I mean, many of you are part-time traders. The simple fact is you're getting into this, you're learning, you've got a job, you've got school, you've got all of these commitments. But Fridays are Friday afternoons particularly, are one of my favorite times to trade, and I think one of the best times to be dialed in as that new or part-time trader. So let's talk about some of the things that we're really looking for going into the weekend. These weekend gappers, we call them. First off, why is Friday significant? Couple reasons. Number one, you quite often see what's called the Friday short squeeze, okay? Short sellers are heavy in these momentum stocks, these big runners. And short sellers, and rightfully so, by the way, they do not want to stay short over the weekend. It's very dangerous to hold a stock short over the weekend. So lots of times, these stocks that have spiked up and held through the week, especially if they're pushing those highs, short sellers want out. They want out because they don't want that weekend risk. They want to sleep over the weekend. They don't want to have to worry about what's coming Monday morning. So look for those multi-day gainers that are pushing the end of the week highs, and particularly low float stocks, particularly the junky stocks, the stocks that people are all hating on. But if the price action is there into a Friday afternoon, man, if those shorts don't exit, these things gap up big time on Monday Monday. I messed it up. What was I trying to say? Money Monday. That is why short sellers want out, because the reason we call it Money Monday, so many companies, stocks, overall markets, there's so much news flow on Monday morning. If you're a low price stock, or even if you're a real company, companies really like to time those press releases, those announcements, those contract wins. They want to release that news on Monday morning when everybody's back for the new week. Everybody's rested, ready to rock. They want to buy some stocks. They want to get after it. So that's why shorts don't want to stay in. They know that a stock's been holding up all week. There's a good chance there's a follow-up press release. There's some sort of news coming out Monday morning. So look for those heavily shorted stocks, positive price action, particularly the low float stocks with news. The next one we want to look at is, this is what you'd probably call an OTC gapper. So this is a chart pattern, and we're going to get a little bit into the weeds here, but we talk about chart patterns a lot. This is a stock that is at a multi-month, multi-week, or maybe even multi-year high on growing volume. Nice, gradually uptrending chart that's been up for days, weeks, or maybe even months, and then it's breaking that key level, that new level. That brings in new buyers. People are all starting to crowd in on Friday afternoon, and this particularly works with the OTC stocks, which if you're not familiar, we do videos talking about the different exchanges, but look for those OTC stocks making those multi-month, multi-year breakouts. Those tend to gap up on Monday as well. So let me know. Give me questions below. I would like to know, have you traded these weekend strategies? What's your favorite weekend strategy? Do you like those OTC breakouts? Do you like the Friday squeezers? Do you like the 52-week earnings winners on Fridays? Let me know below. And also, drop some questions below. These questions that we cover in these videos come straight from the YouTube comments. We read every comment and we pick out the best questions and go over them. I would love to answer your question in the next video. Drop them below. Thanks for watching our video. Be sure to comment below with any trading related question. We love answering your questions. Also, like and share with your friends, and be sure to subscribe to be notified as soon as our next video hits. And if you're looking to expand your trading knowledge, don't forget to check out all of our other videos. And be sure to click the trial below. Check out Stocks to Trade. I think it is one of the best, most rapidly advancing softwares out there. Be sure to check out our trial.